In this video lecture, we would look at enhanced for loop in Java programming. At the time of Java 5, enhanced for loop was released. You can use these with arrays. We have discussed arrays. So you check out arrays and then you can grab it. Then you check out for loop. We have discussed for loop. Bringing this together in your program, create an enhanced for loop. So we will create an arrays of strings or of integer values. Here, we can print out the arrays using a for loop. So this is done by first of all, we have two different stuffs here. One is integers and the other one is string. I can put demarcation here so that we understand everything we are doing here. Okay, on the first part, I initialized numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 using variable numbers. They are all integer numbers. For me to be able to call this out, I use a for loop. Declare it integer x and assign the value of numbers to this integer. Then I go ahead and print out the variable x, which contains the arrays. I'll go ahead and remove this here. Let's go ahead and run this code and see that these numbers we printed. So you can see I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. They are all printed out. This is a combination of arrays and the for loop together. And we got something so awesome here. You can similarly do the same thing to string values. Let me go ahead and put the string value back here. I have string values of cat2, parts, cop, jog, and all these are in arrays. Let me say I'm working on kishimitosis and someone else might be working on cars or any other thing. I love make an example with cars because I love cars so much. Okay. And don't mind me. So, in order to print out the kishimitosis, cat2, parts, cop, jog, if I want to do this once, I create a string and here I create a variable names. I use a for loop, calling the names. I put in the variables names inside the name. I just create and use system.out.print. I am able to create this string values out. So let's go ahead and run this code now and see how it works out. So we can see that I have cat2, parts, cop, jog printed just below the integer values. How did I come about doing this? I used system.out.println to be able to demarcate this, bring in the string variables below the integer variables. So, here it is just very easy, and I hope you really understood that. I would like you to play with this code and check it out. If you have any question on that enhanced for loop, please try to use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.